हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास नाइन्थ पॉलिटिकल साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर सेकंड, व्हाट इज़ डेमोक्रेसी एंड व्हाई डेमोक्रेसी। इस वीडियो में हम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पढ़ेंगे इस चैप्टर के। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज अ कैंडिडेट नीड बिफोर कॉन्टेस्टिंग इलेक्शंस इन चाइना? आंसर, अप्रूवल ऑफ द चाइनीज कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, in a democracy, the final decision must rest with those leaders or representatives who are, answer, elected by the people. Next question, what is peculiar with ZANUPF? Answer, it has always won elections. Next question, the one of the main features of a democratic government is that it rules within the limits set by the constitutional law above. Answer, citizens' right. Next question, why does a democratic government is a better government? Answer, because it is more accountable form of government. Next question, democracy offers, answers, dignity of citizens and principle of political equality. Next question, democracy cannot provide solution to all the problems. It is also a difficult form of government to implement. It is, answer, one of the weakness of democracy. Next question, the major challenges to democracy are, answer, economic equality among people and evolution of casteism from society. Next question, it is a system in which only those who are in power and their supporters are benefited and excludes minorities and weaker section. Answer, dictatorship. Next question, it is a system under which military chief enjoy all the powers and suppress all the protest against him by the people. Answer, military rule. Next question, the strength of democracy is its ability to uphold the values for which it stands for. These values are, answer, freedom, equality and justice. Next question, who led a military coup in Pakistan in 1999? Answer, Pervez Musharraf. Next question, when did Zimbabwe gain independence and from whom? Answer, in 1980 from white minority rule. Next question, in which period did China face one of the worst famines that have occurred in the world? Answer, China's famine of 1958 to 1961 was the worst recorded famine in the world history. Next question, democracy improves the quality of decision making because, answer, decisions are taken by consultation and discussion. Next question, what is the most common form of democracy in modern world? Answer, representative democracy. Next question, which body in the political system of India is an example of direct democracy? Answer, Gram Sabha. Next question, what is ZANUPF? Answer, Political Party of Zimbabwe. Next question, name the Chinese Parliament. Answer, the National People's Congress. Next question, give a definition of democracy. Answer, democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Next question, what was the legal framework order passed by Pervez Musharraf in August 2002? Answer, in August 2002, Musharraf issued a legal framework order that amended the Constitution of Pakistan. According to this order, the President can dismiss the national and provincial assemblies. Next question. Name the country where women do not have the right to vote till 2015. Answer. Saudi Arabia. Next question. Media is not independent in Zimbabwe. How? Answer. Television and radio are controlled by the government and give only the ruling party's version. There are independent newspapers, but the government rashes those journalists who went against it. Short answers. First question. What are three features of democracy? Answer. Features of democracy are rulers elected by the people, take all the major decisions, elections offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change the current rulers. This choice and opportunity is available to all the people on an equal basis. The exercise of this choice lead to a government limited by basic rules of the constitution and citizens' rights. Next question. Explain any three major political changes that took place recently in India's neighborhood. Answer. Pakistan. General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup. Nepal in 2005. The new king dismissed the elected government. Iraq. Saddam Hussein's regime was overthrown. Next question. How does democracy improve the quality of decision making? Answer. Democracy is based on consultation and discussion. A democratic decision always involves many persons, discussions, and meetings. When a number of people put their heads together, they are able to point out possible mistakes in any decision. This takes time, but there is a big advantage in taking time over important decisions. This reduces the chances of rash or irresponsible decisions. Thus, democracy improves the quality of decision making. Next question. How does democracy enhance the dignity of citizens? Answer. Even if democracy does not bring about better decisions and accountable government, it is still better than other form of government. Democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Democracy is based on the principle of political equality, on recognizing that the poorest and the least educated has the same status as the rich and the educated. People are not subjects of a ruler, they are the rulers themselves. Even when they make mistakes, they are responsible for their conduct. Next question. How is democracy better than other form of government? Answer. It is correct that democracy is better than other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. There is no guarantee that mistakes cannot be made in democracy. No form of government can guarantee that. The advantage in a democracy is that such mistakes cannot be hidden for long. There is a space for public discussion on these mistakes and there is a room for correction. Either the rulers have to change their decision or the rulers can be changed. This cannot happen in a non democratic government. Next question. Democracy cannot get us everything and is not the solution to all problems. Then why are we interested in democracy? Answer. It is clearly better than any other alternative form that we know. It offers better chances of a good decision and it is likely to respect people's own wishes and allow different kinds of people to live together. Even when it fails to do some of these things, it allows a way of correcting its mistake and offers more dignity to all citizens. That is why democracy is considered the best form of government. Long answers. First question: democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Discuss. Answer: democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. In any society, people are bound to have differences of opinions and interest. These differences are particularly sharp in a country like ours, which has an amazing social diversity. People belong to different regions and have different languages, practice different religions, and have different castes. They look at the world very differently and have different preferences. The preferences of one group can clash with those of other groups. Democracy provides the only peaceful solution to this problem. In democracy, no one is a permanent winner, no one is a permanent loser. Different groups can live with one another peacefully. In a diverse country like India, democracy keeps a country together. Next question: what are the various aspects of democracy? Answer: we may refer to three aspects of democracy: political, social, and economic. Political aspect: political democracy requires government by consent and political equality. Democracy as a form of government implies that elections must be held with reasonable frequency. Moreover, there should be more than one political party competing for political power. Social aspect: a democratic society is one in which an atmosphere of equality prevails. There should be no discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, or sex. Everyone should have equal access to shops, restaurants, hotels, and places of public entertainment. Our Constitution guarantees equality to every person before law. Economic aspect: political democracy will be a reality only when it is supported by economic democracy. The most stable democracies of the world are those which have extensive welfare schemes for the poor people. Next question: what are the merits of a democratic government? Answer: the merits of a democratic government are: a democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. Democracy improves the quality of decision making. Democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Democracy enhances the dignity of citizen. It is better than other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. Next question: why has India not experiences a famine as severe as that of China in 1958 to 61? Answer: China's famine of 1958 to 1961 was the worst recorded famine in the world history. Nearly 3 crore people died in this famine. During those days, India's economic condition was not much better than China. Yet, India did not have a famine of the kind China had. Economists think that this was a result of different government policies in the two countries. The existence of democracy in India made the Indian government respond to food scarcity in a way that the Chinese government did not. They point out that no large scale famine has ever taken place in an independent and democratic country. If China too had multi party elections, an opposition party, and a press free to criticize the government, then so many people may not have died in the famine. Next question: what are the drawbacks of a democracy? Answer: The following are the drawbacks of a democracy. Leaders keep changing in a democracy. This leads to instability. Democracy is all about political competition, that power play. There is no scope for morality. So many people have to be consulted in a democracy that it leads to delays. Elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people. It leads to bad decisions. Democracy leads to corruption, for it is based on electoral competition. Ordinary people don't know what is good for them. They should not decide anything. इसी के साथ हमारा ये वीडियो कंप्लीट होता है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो कमेंट करके हमें बताइएगा। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए जिससे आपको हमारे आने वाले वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें। धन्यवाद।